have a confession to make.
I don't know how to vlog, but I would like to vlog.
Pumpkin!
Laro tayo yan, Jay.
Bakit?
Gusto ko eh. Sige na. Ba yan? We're not really strangers. Dapat lang, no? Nanay mo ko eh.
You really know your best friend. How well do you know your mother, your sister, anyone else close to you?
Game.
Oo na!
Pumpkin!
Vice versa lang tayo kukuha ng cards, tapos sasagutin natin. Kunyari, ako kumuha ng card. Yung question ko nun is for you. Ikaw sasagutin mo.
Yung T-square talaga yung binigay sa akin. Pagandahan ng portrait to. Kalbo.
Tapos nakasimangot, tapos nakaganon.
Pumpkin!
Ikaw yan, no? That's how we see each other.
Ikaw yung tipong kahit ano lang, blanket lang sa lapag, okay na yun.
Grabe naman.
Hardcore nga na camping, ganon.
Hard. Exceptional.
Why?
Hello. Kaya mo nga ng 8 o'clock gising ng morning. Ang akala pa natin ng tao sa akin is, I'm always strong.
May isa pa. I may seem like I have everything under my control and alam ko lahat ng ginagawa ko. What no? I'm just flowing with life. I'm still trying to understand how this whole life thing works.
You're
What?
Walang iyak ah.
Sex in the City. Samantha ba si Mom and Dad? Carrie siya. Oh. Nagbibilang ka ba? Nagbibilang ka ba? Ba't nag-blink? Ba't di naman tayo staring contest? Okay na. Okay na. Okay na.
Cannot stare long enough. Para kang nako-conscious.
I can. Pag serious na ano. Pero pag
Serious ka ako eh!
Na-notice ko, kapal rin ng eye bags mo.
Pumpkin!
Kaya nga stare, di ba? What? Just by looking at you, I'd think you're mad.
Grabe ka naman. Baka hindi ka na pag-drive eh.
A lot. A lot of things.
Like,
A lot.
a lot salty?
Hindi, lupa. A lot.
Oo. Sad nung part na yun. Yung he was right.
You're so strong.
Is that a compliment? I am strong. Ride with me. Kasi nadaba ka.
Sabi na eh. An Olivia Dean song. I've seen it.
Bakit?
It talks about seeing the journeys of life even though you're not done. Pero you've seen enough. Pero there's more. I've seen it. Na, 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 na. Popular in a way na ikaw yung bully sa bully.
Yeah, theory because ang tatay niya eh. May